Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Okay, so we all know that we are discussing about determinants. So today's class is the continuation of the determinant. In previous session we have completed exercise third one, that is third exercise 4.3 is finished in previous session. Alright, so as I said, today we are going to start with minors and cofactors. So this is the continuation of the determinants here. So today we are going to learn about minors and cofactors. Okay, so what are minors and cofactors? First, let us see about minor. So what do you mean by minor? A minor is, if it is a 3 cross 3 determinant, you have to calculate minor for each and every element. So minor exists for each and every element. So in 3 cross 3 elements, we have 9 elements. In 3 cross 3 determinant, as we have 9 elements, so minor exists for all 9 elements, right? So if it is asked for calculating a minor of any of the element, then you have to calculate minor for that particular element, and keep that in mind, minor exists for each and every element in the determinant. So 3 cross 3 determinant is having 9 minors, 2 cross 2 determinant is having 4 minors. Okay, so what is the minor? So if any element in the matrix or determinant is represented by Aij, any element in the matrix or determinant is represented by Aij, where Aij means the element in ith row and jth column. Aij is the element in ith row and jth column. So here minor of Aij is a determinant. Minor of Aij is a determinant, so which is obtained by neglecting ith row and jth column, as we are doing to calculate this one value of determinant. When we are supposed to calculate the value of determinant using first row, second row, third row and all, so when we take a11, what do we do? That is a11 into the determinant neglecting first row and first column. So similarly, Aij, minor of Aij is the determinant obtained by neglecting ith row and jth column, and is denoted by Mij, What is the definition there? Minor of an element Aij of a determinant is defined as the determinant obtained by deleting ith row and jth column in which Aij lies. Right? So and it is denoted by Mij. So minor of Aij is Mij. Similarly, minor of A11 will be M11, which is obtained by deleting first row and first column, right? For example, if determinant A is equal to 3, 4, 7, 9, 8, 12, 6, 5, 3. Take any determinant. So these are 3 cross 3 determinants. Then what are its minors? If this is the question, right? So A11 is equal to 3, M11 will be, see, neglecting first row and first column, right? So minor of A11 is denoted by M11, which is obtained by neglecting first row and first column. So if I neglect first row and first column, what will be left? 8, 12, 5, 3. So the value here is 24 minus 60, that is nothing but equal to how much? 36, right? So A12 is equal to 4. What will be M12? Where is 4? 4 is in first row and second column. Neglect that one. Neglect first row and second column. So what will be left? 9, 12, 6, 3. So this is 9 into 3 is 27 minus 6 into 12 is 72. So what is 27 minus 72? So this is, so here also minus 45, right? A13 is 7, so which is there in first row and third column. Leave that first row and third column. So what will be M13? It is the determinant leaving first row and third column. So that is first row and third column, if I leave 9, 8, 6, 5. So this is 45 minus 6 into 8 is 48 minus 3. Okay. Similarly, A21 is equal to 9. M21 will be neglecting the row and column in which 9 is there. Second row and first column. So neglect second row and first column. So what will be there? 4, 7, 5, 3. So 4 into 3 is what? 12. 5 into 7 is 35. So 12 minus 35 is minus 23. Okay. A22 is 8. What will be M22? 8 is there in second row and second column. So leave second row and second column. So what will be there? 3, 7, 6, 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. 6 into 7 is 42. So there is nothing but minus 33. So that will be minus 33. Okay. A23. A23 is what? 12. M23 is 12 is there in second row and third column. So leave second row and third column. What is that? 3, 4, 6, 5. So this is 15 minus 24 minus 9. Right? Similarly, A31 is what? 6. M31 is equal to, see, 6 is there in which row? Third row. Which column? First column. So neglect first column and third row. What is that? 4, 7, 8, 12. Right? 4 into 12 is 48. 8 into 7 is 56. So 48 minus 56 is minus 8. Right? Similarly, A32 is what? A32 is 5. Similarly, M32 will be, M32 is, see, 5 is there in third row and second column. So neglect third row and second column. What you will get? 3, 7, 9, 12. 3 into 12 is 36. 9 into 7 is 9 into 7 is 63. So 36 minus 63 is 27. That is minus 27. So this is how minus should be calculated. Similarly, we can calculate minor of the third one also, the A33 also. So I hope the minors are clear here. And if the matrix is 2 cross 2 matrix, suppose this is the matrix, this is the determinant, right? What will be minor of 8? Neglect this row and this column, row and column in which 8 is there. What will be there? 3. So it will be its minor. Minor of 12 is neglect the row and column in which 12 is having. So if I neglect, I will get 5. Directly, if it is a 2 cross 2 matrix, directly we will get without solving the determinant. By neglecting the row and column, you will get the values. So if it is 3 cross 3 matrix, then you need to do it in this particular way. Is that clear? So I hope the process is very much clear here. Now you pause the video and make a note of this. Okay, I hope you have understood that previous definition about the minors. And next definition here is about cofactors. What is a cofactor? Right, cofactor of an element Aij is denoted by capital Aij, whereas M minor is denoted by Mij. Here, cofactor is denoted by Aij and is given by this formula. Aij is equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j into Mij. I plus j into Mij. Okay. So what is the condition here is you need to know the value of minor. Right. If you want to calculate cofactor of Aij, you should know the value, or you should have the value of minor Mij. So first you need to calculate minor, then you need to go for cofactor. So if you practice the problem related to cofactors, then automatically you will get practice with minors. Okay. So you make a note of this definition and then we can move to some problem. I will take some problem and I'll explain how to find out minors and cofactors. Right. So with that we can learn more and more concepts here. Okay, so the concept will be more and more clear. So now pause the video and make a note of this. Friends, let's take up this problem and try to understand minors and cofactors. Okay, so here this is given. Let us take this as determinant A. Okay, let us take this as determinant A. Here A11 is equal to 2, M11 will be 2 is there in first row and first column, neglect that. 0, 4, 5 minus 7. So this will be what? 0 into 7 is 0, 5 into 4 is 20. 0 into this 0 minus 5 into 4 is minus 20. Alright. A12 is what? A12 is minus 3. M12 will be, neglect first row and second column. 6, 4, 1, minus 7. So 6 into minus 7, minus 42, minus 4. So minus 46. Now A13 is neglecting first row and third column. So A13 is 5. M13 will be, okay, neglecting first row and third column. 6, 0, 1, 5. So this 6 into 5 is 30 minus 0, that is nothing but 30. A21 is 6, right? So what will be M21? Neglect the row and column containing 6. There is second row and first column. So this will be minus 3, 5, 5 and minus 7. So minus 3 into minus 7 is 21 minus 25. So 21 minus 25 is minus 4. A22 is how much? 0. Neglect the row and column containing 0. What will be M22? Second row and second column is neglected. 2, 5, 1, minus 7. So 2 into minus 7 is minus 14, minus 5. So minus 14 minus 5 is minus 19. Okay. So A22 is over. A23 is how much? 4. So M23 is obtained by neglecting row and column containing 4. So neglect second row and third column. So what you will get? 2 minus 3, 1, 5. Okay. So 2 minus 3, 1, 5. So 2 into 5 is 10 minus of minus 3. That is 10 plus 3, 13. A31. What is A31? 1. What will be M31? Neglecting the row and column containing this A31, that is 1. Neglect first column and third row. So minus 3, 5, 0, 4. So minus 12 minus 0, that is nothing but minus 12. A32. A32 is 5, M32 will be, neglecting the row and column containing A32, that is 5. Neglect third row and second column. So third row, second column is neglected. 2, 5, 6, 4. So this is nothing but 2 into 4 is 8, 6 into 5 is 30. So that is minus 22. A33 is how much? Minus 7. M33 will be equal to, right, neglecting row and column containing minus 7. There is third row and third column. So 2 minus 3, 6, 0. So 2 into 0 is 0, minus 6 into minus 3 is minus 18. That is nothing but plus 18. So this was how we have to calculate the this one minus. So now what you need to do is you just pause the video and take down this minus. Once you are up to this minus, once you copy down the minus, we'll continue with the cofactors. So friends, those were the process how we have calculated the minus. So I have explained them very deliberately. You can refer the video very slowly, you will get back the things, you will understand the things. So now let's move on to the second part of the question, that is to calculate the cofactors. I have reproduced the values M11 to M33, right? So with the help of this we will calculate the cofactors. Okay. So what are cofactors? A11 is given by minus 1 to the power I plus j. That is, what is, first I will write the things. Aij is given by minus 1 to the power I plus j into Mij. Minus 1 to the power I plus j into Mij. Okay. So what will be A11? So minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into M11. So minus 1 into the power 1 plus 1 into M11. Why? Because I is 1 and j is 1. So minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into M11. So this is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 is minus 1 to the power 2, that is plus 1. So what is M11? So this will be plus 1 into minus 20. So minus 20. So A12 will be minus 1 to the power I plus j. Here I is 1 and j is 2. 1 plus 2 into M12. So minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 is minus 1. M12 is minus 46. So this will become plus 46. A13 is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 into M13. So minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 is plus 1 into M13 is how much? M13 is 30. Okay. So what you will get? 1 into 30 is 30. A21 is minus 1 to the power I is 2 and j is 1. 2 plus 1 M23. So this is nothing but minus 1 to the power 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 to the power 3 is minus 1 to the power 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 into what is M21? Minus 4. That is plus 4. Is that clear? So I plus j, minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 is minus 1 into minus 4. That becomes plus 4. A22 is minus 1 to the power I plus j, 2 plus 2 into M2, sorry, this is 2, 1. Right? M22. Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2. Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 is plus 1. 1 into what is M22 minus 19 will be equal to minus 19. A23 is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3 into M23. Okay, so 2 plus 3 is 5, minus 1 to the power 5 is minus 1 into M23. M23 is how much? 13. So minus 1 into 13 is minus 13. A22 is minus 1 to the A31. Minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1. Why? Because I is 3 and J is 1. M31. So minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Minus 1 to the power 4 is plus 1. 1 into M31. M31 is how much? Minus 12. So this is equal to minus 12. Okay. Similarly, A32 is equal to minus 1 to the power I is 3, J is 2 into M32. So what is 3 plus 2? That is 5. Minus 1 to the power 5 is minus 1. M32 is minus 22. So this will become plus 22. A33 is minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3. I is 3, J is 3. So minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3 into M33. So this is equal to minus 1. Sorry, plus 1. What is minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3? 3 plus 3 is 6. So minus 1 to the power 6 is plus 1 into M33. M33 is 18. So this will be equal to 18. Okay. So I hope you have understood this one. So what is M11? M11 is equal to minus 20. A11 is equal to minus 20. M12 is equal to minus 46. A12 is equal to plus 46. M13 is equal to 30. A13 is equal to 30. M21 is equal to minus 4, whereas A21 is what? Plus 4. M22 is how much? Minus 19. A22 is also minus 19. M23 is equal to 13. A23 is equal to minus 13. M31 is equal to minus 12. A31 is also equal to minus 12. M32 is equal to minus 22. A32 is equal to plus 22. M33 is equal to 18. A33 is also 18 as well. Okay, so this is the thing. So what you should observe here is when the sum here is even, I plus j is even. When I plus j is even, right? So you can make down the note. Okay, when I plus j is even, then Mij is equal to Aij. You can see here when I plus j is even. See, 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So M11 is equal to A11. 1 plus 3, 4. Then M11 is equal to A11. Here also you have A1. Then you have things even. Wherever you are having even, Mij is equal to Aij. When I plus j is equal to odd, then Mij is equal to minus of Aij. So you can see odd, 1 plus 2 is odd. So M12 is minus 46, A12 is plus 46. So whenever odd is there, 2 plus 1, minus 4 and plus 4. Here 2 plus 3, 5, odd, 13 and minus 13. Here 3 plus 2, odd, right, minus 22 and plus 22. Okay, so this is the concept, right? I hope minus and cofactors are very much clear to you. So now you take a moment, pause the video and make a notes of this. Okay. So I hope the concepts are clear, minus and cofactors. So now what you need to do is, as usual, you practice more and more problems, right? So we'll wind up the video here. So in next session we'll start with exercise. That is fourth exercise. We're going to start it up and then we'll take on different problems. Okay, so we'll stop the video here. For more and more updates, stay tuned to the channel. Okay, so take care. Goodbye.